Hello guys and welcome back to Lead Logics. This is the count of matches in tournament problem. It is a lead code easy and the number for this is 1688. So in this problem, we are given with an integer n, that is the number of teams in a tournament that has strange rules. And what are the rules? If a current number of team is even, then each team gets paired with another team and the total number of matches are n by 2. And n by 2 matches are played to advance to the next round. And if the current number of teams is odd, then one team randomly advances to the next round and the rest of the teams are like it becomes even, so n minus 1 by 2 matches are played again. So this is so we have to return the number of matches played in the tournament. So a simple solution which I saw in the solutions panel for this was n minus 1. But if you tell this in an interview that the solution is n minus 1, you cannot justify it. How did you get n minus 1? You may prove its correctness, that n minus 1 is correct, but you may not be able to prove your problem solving skills in that. So for that you need to approach the problem in such a way that the interviewer might be clear that how you are solving a particular problem step by step. So for that uh, I have taken an example. The example was for input 7 teams n equal to 7, and in the first round the matches were 3, in the second round the matches were 2, and the last round there was one match. So I am going to explain you how this is being done. So for n equal to 7, you see round 1 matches played 3, round 2 matches played 2, and round 3 matches played 1. And how are these played? So in round 1, suppose there are 7 teams A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. Suppose A7 randomly advances to round 2. Okay, so A1 versus A2 match is there and the winner is B1. A3 versus A4 match is there, so winner is B2, and A5 versus A6 match is there and winner is B3. So in the next round B1 versus B2 will be there and B3 versus A7 will be there, because A7 randomly advanced to round 2. So B1 versus B2's winner is C1 and B3 versus A7 winner is C2. And in the round 3, we see that C1 versus C2 match is happening and the winner becomes D1. So the number of matches becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 3 in round 1, 3 matches in round 1, 2 matches in round 2 and 1 match in round 1, and we finally get the winner. So this is how we are going to solve the problem, and for the same we have the explanation. We are going to take the floor of n by 2 in every round. So let's start with the code section, but before that, do like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. So first of all, you will need a count to store the final answer, and one variable we would need is rev. This is basically to reverse. So till the time n is greater than 1, because we need one winner, so that's why we have kept n is greater than equal to 1. As soon as we reach 1, that means we have one winner, we can quit. So rev is the remaining matches. So rev equal to n by 2, count plus equal to rev, and we have to simply return the count. This code is based on this particular solution or approach. If you are going to show this approach to the interviewer will be very much impressed by you, and there are much greater chances of you being selected over those students who say n minus 1 is the final answer, because they cannot prove that how they got the answer. The interviewer might say that you have the question was already known to you and throw a complex problem again, or he will say that you have mucked up the answer. But if you show this solution to this interviewer, even though he knows that you might be aware of the question, but if you are proving it that you are following every step in the problem solving, then he will be impressed by you and select you. So let's run it for the sample test cases. So the sample test cases are passed. Let's run for the hidden test cases. So the hidden test cases are also passed with a good time complexity and a fair memory complexity. The memory complexity is because of the n-1 submissions. So the let's talk about the time complexity. The time complexity for this solution is log of n, O of log of n, and the space complexity is O of 1. You can find my C++, JavaScript and Python codes here in the solution panel by this name. Here you can get the Java, C++, Python, JavaScript code in the LeetCode solutions panel. And do remember to upvote. I hope you liked the video, understood the logic. Thank you for watching the video. Do like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.